Welcome back to the Dog House, the official home of DOGFATHER'S Toys. This is another update video for the Space 1999 Eagle. This is part 3. I completed these little compartments, and one goes up around the cockpit and the other one goes around the engine compartment. And this would be the last video I do for a while, probably next week before I put one out, unless I can figure out how to use a Chromebook to do it, because me and my grandsons, we're going to be going to Knoxville to Fan Expo, and I'll be doing some videos on that. So you may want to tune in and watch that, because we're going to meet some a lot of stars. Well, Kevin Smith, and I can't remember what his partner is, but basically Jay and Silent Bob, Lindsay Wagner, Lee Majors, Adrian Paul, which you may not recognize the name, but he was the Highlander on the TV series. Vicki Lawrence, who will dress up like Mama for pictures. Well, that'd be kind of cool. She was one of my favorite characters when they did Mama's Family. And a few others. Oh, and what's his name? Ralph Macchio. I can't think of the guy. Johnny and Crease. They're going to do a trio signing and picture taking. That's for my grandson, and we'll be in it too. And well, enough of that. As you can see, this little compartment here goes. Now, it was not called for to paint these like little vent-looking things or the door, but most of the paint job is white, so I decided I'd just add a little color to it, bedazz it a little bit. I guess that's what I did. And I finished a section that goes on the wing section, but I laid one down and I can't find it, so I'm going to be looking for it. And I'll add that to the next update if I can find it. If not, I guess the Eagle will go without one. So that'll be it for tonight. I just wanted to give you a quick update that I'm still doing it. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you got any comments, just leave them. If you don't feel like leaving a comment, you want to say something personal, my email address is in my channel page. So I'm not that hard to get a hold of. So that's it for this. I will be posting videos of Fan Expo, so thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye.